like us and you do a lot of baking, you're going to go through a lot of baking powder in recipes. So in today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to make homemade baking powder. Come on and let me show you how to do it. When mixing these two ingredients together, you get baking powder. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making homemade baking powder. It's going to be a real short video, but I thought I'd share this with y'all. It might help you save time and money, so you don't have to run out and get baking powder and spend that extra money on those little tin cans. I'm going to show you today what to use that you probably already have in your pantry to make you some homemade baking powder. So now let's turn around here and I'm going to show you what it's going to take for this homemade baking powder recipe. What you're going to be needing to do this is some cream of tartar. And I've had this one for a while. I used about a teaspoon out of it, so it needs to be used up. And I don't do a lot of recipes with cream of tartar. So I'm going to be using this today to make my homemade baking powder with. The next ingredient you need is baking soda. And most all of us have baking soda. I've even got a big bag and a little bag. Same ingredients, just different packages. So come on and let's make up this quick, easy recipe with these two ingredients to make us some homemade baking powder. Let's get started. Okay, what I'm going to do first, because I've got to measure out 6 tablespoons of my cream of tartar. I'm going to put it in this so I can get my measuring spoon in there easier. So I'm just going to dump my little container of my cream of tartar in this measuring cup. That way I can measure my 1 tablespoon out easier. And if you hadn't ever seen cream of tartar before or used it much, this right here is what it looks like. It almost looks like powdered sugar or even white self-rising or all-purpose flour. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with the baking soda. And for this recipe, you use 1 tablespoon of baking soda to 2 tablespoons of your cream of tartar. Okay? So we're going to level it off. There's 1 baking soda. Tablespoon of baking soda. Two. And 3. And now we're going to put 6 tablespoons of our cream of tartar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's almost right at 6 tablespoons. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that little bit of extra in there. And now we're going to give it a quick mix. I'm just going to use me a fork and mix those 2 ingredients together. Okay, now that we've got it all mixed, I'm going to put mine in our old can that we have because I want to use that because this has the perfect little thing that you can use to level out your teaspoon or tablespoons with when you're doing a recipe. So let's see how much we can get in our can. It may be a little too much, but I think it'll all fit in here. Let's put it in there and I'm going to show you how I like to use the leveler. Okay, I've got it in here now. And this is why I like to do it. Most all y'all have probably seen that, but look how perfect that little thing on there levels out your measurement for recipes. All right, that was a quick, easy video to make homemade baking powder using 2 ingredients. That's all it takes. But this right here, you know what's in your baking powder, and it only takes 2 ingredients to make homemade baking powder. If y'all are like us and you do a lot of baking, you're going to go through a lot of baking powder in recipes. So in today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to make homemade baking powder. Come on and let me show you how to do it.